Hey, quick question. Has this been happening to you? If so, I got the solution. First, right click this. Open the file location. Now what you want to click on is this. Now, first thing, type in app-list. Dang it. As you can see, there's two. Type in app-unreg. You can control C this. App-list to check. As you can see, it's no longer there. Now, just hit Control Z and enter. That'll save it. And there you go.